Namaste student. Today we are going to learn poem Train. Now listen carefully and sing after me.
Over the mountains, over the plains,
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 over the river, here comes the train.
over the river, here come the trains,
Over the river, here come the trains,
over the river, here come the trains,
carrying passenger, carrying mails,
carrying passengers, carrying mail,
carrying passengers, carrying mail,
carrying passengers, carrying mail,
bringing their precious load in without fail,
bringing their precious load in without fail,
bringing their precious load in without fail.
bringing their precious load in without fail.
Thousands of freight cars all rushing on,
Thousands of freight cars all rushing on,
thousands of freight cars all rushing on.
thousands of freight cars all rushing on.
Though day and darkness, though dusk and dawn,
Though day and darkness, though dusk and dawn,
though day and darkness, though dusk and dawn.
though day and darkness, though dusk and dawn.
Over the mountains, over the plains,
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 over the river, here's come the train.
over the river, here come the trains,
Over the rivers, here come the trains.
over the river, here come the trains,
Here come the trains.
here come the trains,
Here come the trains.
here come the trains.
Let's sing the poem with action.
1, 2, 3, start.
Over the mountains, over the plains, over the mountains, over the plains, over the river, here come the trains, over the river, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying men, carrying passengers, carrying men, bringing their precious load in without fail, bringing their precious load in without fail. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on, thousands of freight cars all rushing on. Though day and darkness, though dusk and dawn, though day and darkness, though dusk and dawn. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the mountains, over the plains, over the river, here come the trains, over the river, here come the trains.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.